Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing an eyeshadow tutorial. Yes, I am. I am actually doing it on the new, why am I like, my brain's not working today. Why can't I read this? This is called Petalette. Petalette. Yes. Check out the colors, guys. So I was like, oh, I'm wearing navy blue tonight. So I thought I would do like a purpley look. This is like beautiful color combination. Check this out. Like this is $2.99 at the store. The transition color, I mean, come on. The crease color, look at that. These are absolutely stunning colors. Now this brow bone color, it's a little bit more transparent, so it's not so bold, but these are absolutely stunning colors. Now, it actually, if you're ever confused on where to place it, it does say crease, eyelid, brow bone, transition color. So let's go ahead and get to that tutorial. If you guys like this video so far, please push that thumbs up button and that tiny little bell next to it. These are amazing, and they are $2.99 at Walgreens, Walmart, wherever, but Walgreens for sure sells these. I think these are absolutely amazing. If you guys liked this eyeshadow look, just stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the transition color that comes in the palette, and I'm going to sweep it back and forth in my crease area in these windshield wiper motions. I'm going to actually bring it up a little bit further up here where my bone is. Not taking it all the way to the eyebrow, but just a little bit further than the deepest part of your crease. Just swinging back and forth like this. After you are done, you have a nice pretty layer on. I'm going to go in with so for the transition color, I just grabbed a Wet n Wild fluffy eyeshadow brush. And now I'm going to go grab a Wet n Wild more. This is like more of a hard pointer brush. And I'm going to grab that crease color on here. And I'm going to pack this in right here. So I'm going to pat it down on this portion of my eyelid. And then I'm going to go in tiny little bitty circles, bringing it up a little bit into that crease. Now I'm only going to place it on this portion of the eye because I want that middle part to be blank for now. So you guys see how that goes? And then I'm going to take some more powder on that brush of the crease color. I'm going to pat it down right here in the outer edge, not the outer, the inner edge of the crease right here. Patting it down on the bottom part of the eyelid and just bringing it up into that transition color. Okay, see how I'm leaving the center flat? Now I'm going to take a little bit more of the color and I'm just going to sweep it and connect it very lightly right here in the upper crease area, just like that. Now, if you think that it's a little bit too harsh because this is a very, very pigmented color, you can go back in with the transition color. I'll show you right here. I have the transition color, and you can just go right on top of this color if you want to diffuse it just a little bit. That's completely optional. Next, I'm going to go with more of a flat packer brush, and I'm going to get that eyelid color. And what we're going to do is we're just going to pack it on right where that empty spot was on your eyelid. It's going to be like the focal point of the eye there. I'm going to take another brush. I'm going to take just a small pointer brush. It's actually not small, it's just pointy. I'm going to grab that brow bone color. This is a very, very light shade, and apply it under my eyebrow here. And I want a little bit of bling bling to that corner of the eye, so I'm going to just kind of pat it on in the corner just to give it a little extra bling bling. Gonna go ahead and put some mascara on top and be back. So before I apply the mascara, I do put my eyeliner on, just FYI. I put a piece of tape here because I actually like to just bring it all the way out like this and get that really, really sharp wing. I'll just show you really quick. You guys see how it will form that really, really sharp wing. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the transition color and I'm going to smoke out the water line, the bottom of my water line. Actually, I'm sorry, it's not my water line because the water line's in your eye. Just below that, under your lashes. I'm going to take just a angled brush and I'm going to place this all under the eye. Now once you have it nice and evenly distributed, we're trying to keep a nice tight line here. We're not having it go all crazy. Nice tight line. We're going to take the crease color and we're going to apply the crease color right in the corner. I'm taking the same brush and then I'm just going to apply the crease color right here to darken and deepen that corner, just like this. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a black eyeliner and just apply it on the actual waterline and put some lashes on, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so all I did was I popped on the lashes. I have my eyeliner on. You see I finished the bottom of the lash and put a little bit of mascara. What do you guys think? I think it looks so pretty, and I love how you just focus on the middle portion of the eye. It's just like that boom, that pop, that glam. If you guys liked this eyeshadow tutorial, which I hope you did, these eyeshadows are absolutely amazing. You can get it at Walgreens for $2.99. But if you liked this tutorial, please push that thumbs up button, that tiny little bell next to the subscribe button, and click, click. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.